In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Bluebeam toolbars. If your toolbars have drifted out of place, disappeared, or you just want to get back to a clean, familiar layout, resetting them is quick and safe. In Bluebeam Revu, the toolbar layout is tied to something called a profile. A profile remembers how your toolbars, panels, and interface are arranged. When you reset a profile, you return those interface elements to their default settings without affecting your documents or project data. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu. Give it a moment to load so the interface is fully ready. Once it's open, look to the top left and click the Review menu. From there, choose Profiles. This opens the Profiles window where you can see which profile you're currently using. You might see options like Revu Standard or other profiles that have been installed or customized. Make sure you note which profile is active because that's the one whose toolbars you want to reset. Next, click Manage Profiles. This brings up a list of available profiles on your system. Here, select the same profile you're using right now. Selecting the correct one matters because the reset only applies to the profile you choose. With the profile highlighted, click Reset. Bluebeam will prepare to revert the interface settings for that profile back to their defaults. This means toolbars, panels, and placement will go back to the original layout that ships with that profile. It won't remove your stamps, your files, or your markups. This is purely about how the interface looks and behaves. After clicking Reset, confirm the change by clicking OK to apply the changes. This step locks in the reset and closes the dialog. You should see your toolbars and panels snap back to their default positions right away. If you previously had items floating or docked in unusual places, they'll return to a clean, standard arrangement. This is especially helpful if a monitor change or a drag and drop accidentally hid a toolbar off screen. A couple of quick reminders as you wrap up. Resetting a profile affects only that one profile, so if you switch to a different profile later, its layout will remain as it was. If things still don't look right, double check that the profile you reset is the one shown as active in the Profiles window. With the reset complete, you're ready to continue working with a tidy, predictable interface, no hunting for buttons or panels needed.